Every nurse should have this kind of training. I mean, they've been doing it for trauma doctors for years because it's what their background is. Every nurse in every school should have this training because in any school, these things can happen. Shootings happen, stabbings happen. To have exposure to what to do when this happens in the back of your head, whenever the situation presents itself, that information comes to the front and you can go right into action with it.
I work in a high school and unexpected things happen all the time, some really serious. So I think it's invaluable to have hands-on training. So you're familiar with the equipment because if something happens, at least you've seen how the equipment hooks together, and that you have to have experience with.
So I think when you can have hands-on and apply to a realistic situation, you retain the information longer. You learn it, you hear it, you get to apply it and have it stored into your long-term memory the way you received it with your hands-on reinforcement.
To actually be able to get in there hands-on, feel a pulse, stop the bleeding, know how much blood was actually lost, know how much time it took you to actually do what you needed to do was great. And to be able to test it out, to put your hands on it, to know what it's like, so that God forbid if there is a real-time situation, you know what to do. When you open the kit, you know what's going to be in the kit. You know what to use, what to grab, and then the rest of it is your nursing skills. Delegate, call 911, and it all comes into play, and it all comes together prayerfully to save a life.